you for those insights, sir. My next question would be, there has been a lot of discussion over the payment of wages to employees during the lockdown period. The Ministry of Home Affairs, through its notification, mandated employers to pay the wages for the lockdown period. The state government also issued an advisory, but few industries were able to pay wages, many couldn't. Later, the MHA withdrew the notification issued by the Supreme Court, also restricted the government from taking coercive actions on this issue. There are different views and opinions with reference to the wages and payment during the lockdown period. Why are there such ambiguities in the law? Your views on this, sir?
The Minister of Home Affairs order dated 29th March 2020, wherein it has been directed that all establishments shall pay during the lockdown period the wages and salary to all their employees. There's a lot of confusion regarding the present status, which has created a lot of doubts about the applicability of this particular provision. So I have been asked to give the current status and clarify the whole issue. Now, as you all know that after the announcement of the lockdown, the Ministry of Home Affairs, which is the authority under the Disaster Management Act 2005, issued an order dated 29th March 2020, restricting several putting a lot of restrictions with regard to a lot of services. In one of the paras, the order said that during the lockdown period, the employees of various establishments, industrial establishments, shops and commercial establishments have to be paid salary during this lockdown period. Now, this particular para of the 29th March order has been challenged in the Supreme Court by various companies and by various employers associations. Now, on 15th May 2020, while hearing the petitions filed by the hand tool company and jute mill company, the Supreme Court passed a single line order, that is, no prosecution or coercive action shall be taken against the employees, against the employers who have not implemented this 29th March 2020 order with regard to the payment of salary to their employees during the lockdown period. Now, this led to a lot of interpretation and misinterpretation. Many websites, many newspapers, business magazines published that the Honorable Supreme Court has granted stay to the MHA order dated 29th March 2020. This is factually not a correct position. The correct position is that the MHA order dated 29th March 2020 has two portions with respect to the payment of salary. The first portion deals with the direction by the MHA that during the lockdown period, all the industrial establishments shall pay salary to their employees. The second portion says that those who violate this, prosecution shall be launched. Now, the Honorable Supreme Court on 15th May issued a direction that no coercive action shall be taken for non-implementation of the order of the MHA, that is, those employers who do not pay wages during the lockdown period, they shall not be prosecuted, no coercive action can be taken. Now, in the legal parlance, this direction issued by the Honorable Supreme Court while hearing the petitions filed by the Hand Tool Association and Jute Mills Association, so is it applicable only to these two petitioners, or is it applicable to all establishments in general? In legal parlance, it is called as in rem or in personam. In rem means it's a general order applicable to everyone, even though they are not the petitioners before the Honorable Supreme Court. Well, to me it appears this is an order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court saying that no coercive action to be taken. To be taken with respect to what? With respect to the non-payment of salary by the employers as directed by the MHA in its order dated 29th March 2020. Now I am given to understand that in Karnataka, the Department of Factories who are enforcing the Payment of Wages Act 1936 in respect of the industrial establishments, they have issued notices to such establishments, but further they have not taken any coercive action like filing prosecution or filing claim applications. So what it indicates is the fact that everybody in India is waiting with a bated breath, bated breath to witness, to find out what will be the outcome of the Supreme Court, the judgment. What is the outcome of the Supreme Court judgment in respect of this 29/3/2020 order? Therefore, at the moment, the position as I interpret is that the no action need be taken against an employer for having not implemented this order during the lockdown period. Thank you very much.